What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Michael. On this episode you're going to see Shannon do some feature tiling on our feature wall. So those tiles are individual pieces, so if you don't tile them correctly then things will definitely look out of place. Thankfully she did a pretty good job. I threw her in the deep end, I didn't help her whatsoever, hoping for the best, and yeah, she definitely pulled it off. So stick around to watch the full episode and see how she went. But apart from that, let's jump straight into it. Like the video to show your support and subscribe already if you haven't already done so. And yeah, let's jump straight into it.
Hi guys, the tiles that I'm putting up right now are from TileCloud. They're a company in New South Wales that do some pretty awesome feature tiles. You should check them out. So I chose these for a couple of reasons. The first being because I love the organic look of them. These tiles are sort of made to look handmade, even though they're ceramic. And there's a bumpiness through them, so it sort of brings this softer feel to my otherwise quite harsh, concrete looking grey space. I feel that it softened the space up. Let me know what you think at the end. And the other reason why I chose them is because I'm a first time tiler, meaning it was quite likely that I was not going to lay them perfectly straight, even though I had a laser. You'll see as I'm putting them up, I could have done a bit better with making them sit in line, but I think the crookedness ended up working in my favour because it plays well with the organic style I was going for. Oh no, here I am grouting, thinking I'm the queen of the world. Having just finished the entire feature wall, I thought I could continue grouting the rest of the bathroom as well. But here I am, as you can see, putting too much grout on, and it took forever to take off.
Ooh.
I would really recommend doing this in sections and making sure that you have a sponge with you so that you can wipe as you grout. I know that a lot of people need to make sure that it's sort of a little bit dry before you wipe, but in my instance I just had to wipe straight away because it just was all over the tiles and I really didn't know what I was doing. I should have watched more YouTube videos, but once again, lesson learned.
Hey, thanks for sticking around and watching the full episode. Really appreciate that, guys. Molte bene. So here are some other videos that you could watch if you got some spare couple of minutes on your hands. Here's one here, here's one probably here, and don't forget to subscribe as well. But other than that, stay safe out there, guys, and peace.